Hello, rail fans. Welcome to a special short episode of French Fried Trains. It's Wednesday, August 26, 2020. I was able to borrow a car for a little while to go rail fanning. I wasn't out long, but I did catch a couple trains. I headed downtown by the bridge to try my luck that day. I waited about an hour before this first train arrived. This one snuck up on me, and I barely had time to get my camera up in time. A single AC-44CW leads the CSX Ballast train south. This ballast train had a special surprise on the end. And check that out. The end of the train is Loram Ballast equipment. An awesome catch. That was a nice catch to start the day. About 45 minutes later, a Norfolk Southern train came, and it had a nice engine on the front. Check that out. An AC-44C6M DC to AC conversion, number 4004 in the black Sonic Bonnet paint scheme. An awesome catch. He even honked his horn for us. Southbound auto racks on the Norfolk Southern line. After that train went by, I had to head back home. So unfortunately, I only got 2 trains that day, but at least they were good catches. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and everyone have a great day. Catch you later, rail fans.